Hi there, this is me, Judy, trying to look comfortable talking to a camera. Jokes aside, I recently heard of someone who likened ballet placement to the filling of a pen with ink, and this made perfect sense to me as I myself often liken ballet to the art of writing. And so I've stepped out of my comfort zone to bring you my first course of several on classical ballet technique, and I've called this one Posture, the ink in your pen. In this course, you will learn not only the what, but the how of posture and placement. And you will be given examples of exercises to try which will help you know how the correct placement feels. In this series of 8 videos, some long and some short, we will go through all the major joints involved in correct stance and the muscles that are used to hold us in that position. And we haven't even begun to move yet. There will be so much more to follow in future courses. This course is a detailed collection of informative videos for any serious student over the age of 11 or teacher of ballet who is willing to apply these techniques diligently and with thoughtful effort in each and every class before progressing to the next video. Ballet requires discipline and creative practice of the mind before results will manifest in the body. If you think this is something you may need on your journey or your student's journey toward the stage, then get your ticket by clicking the buttons and following the links, and the stage coach, aka moi, will see you on a whole new platform.